This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open the Settings app on your phone to begin changing autocorrect. On iPhone, tap General, then tap Keyboard to view typing options. On most Android phones, open Settings, choose System, then Languages and Input, and select your keyboard app. Each phone labels the menu slightly differently, so look for Keyboard, Input, or Typing settings. This first step locates the autocorrection toggle and related predictive features for editing. Use the autocorrection toggle to turn automatic fixes on or off. Enable predictive text to show word suggestions above the keyboard as you type. If needed, open Text Replacement or Personal Dictionary to add custom words and shortcuts. Add entries like email at example. Com or brand names to avoid wrong corrections. These adjustments let you control whether the phone corrects words, offers suggestions, or accepts your custom vocabulary. After changing settings, open Messages or Notes to test typing behavior immediately. Type common problem words to confirm autocorrect now accepts or corrects them as you prefer. If issues continue, return to Settings and choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary to remove learned corrections. Manage shortcuts by creating mappings from short phrases to full text or delete unwanted replacements. These steps ensure your keyboard behaves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.